Hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here today with a fun, fat-burning walking workout. You're going to love it, so let's get right into it. All right, first we're just gonna start with a little march, all right? And we're gonna be doing this in between each fun step, all right? For about 10 seconds, like an active rest. All right, first up, we have an up and over, all right? So I'm gonna step up and over, step up and over. All right, and this is great for the legs. You're using your core muscles, even your arms, all right? So nice strong arms as they come up, boom, boom. You can even make it like a side step, or you can stay in place and kind of do a calf raise. All right, so you can have a little fun with this one. Inhale, exhale. Inhale as you up, exhale as you come down. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, back to march, march, march. Very good. Big breath. Awesome. And next we have a side step. Step, 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 step. Go ahead and make those big steps, all right? And to add arms, you're gonna keep your elbows nice and tight in, and you're gonna go out to the side as you step in, and again, step, step. I like to call these chicken wings. I think you can see why. All right, but they're great for your deltoids, like the outside of your arms here, and your shoulders. All right, good for your posture as well. Step, 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 step. And marching in 3, 2, 1, and march, march. Very good. Big breath. Next, we have party butt kicks, all right? So a little bit wider stance, and we're gonna go butt kicks like this, and the party comes in with the arms, all right? So party, woo, woo, party. Raise the roof, all right? So you're pressing up, very good. Nice, strong, really pretend there's resistance as you're pressing up, okay? And you're really gonna feel it in your arms. Very good. These butt kicks are great for your thighs. And you're working out your whole body here. And 3, 2, 1, and march, march, march. Very good. Big breath. Now the next step has a little coordination. So we're working out our mind as well as our body. So we're doing a box step, pretending there's a square. You're in the middle of a square. So corner, 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 corner. Right, left, right, left. Left, right, left, right. And it helps for you to say that. So right, left, right, left. Left, right, left, right. Right, left, right, left. Left, right, left, right. All right, so we're hitting the corners of this square and then switching feet. Whoop. Very good, keep your arms up. So you're basically just stepping forward and then switching feet and stepping forward again. Forward, forward, back, back, switch. And switch. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and march, march. Very good. Big breath, arms up. And 3, 2, 1. Set 1, done and dusted. A little bit more talking, instruction, sharing what we're doing. Now set 2, let's get right into it. Start with our march. Very good. Up and over in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops. And 3, 2, 1. and march. Breathe. Very good. Side step in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and march. Big breath. Very good. Party butt kicks in 3, 2, 1. Raise the roof. And 3, 2, 1, and march. Very good. Big breath. Box step. Working out our minds as well. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and march. Big breath. And there we have it, 2 sets, done and dusted. 1 more to go. Now you're getting the flow of it. All right, you got this. Up and over. In 3, 2, 1.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
And 3, 2, 1, and march. Breathe. Very good. Side step in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and march. Big breath. Very good. Party butt kicks in 3, 2, 1. Raise the roof. And 3, 2, 1, and march. Very good. Big breath. Box step. Working out our minds as well. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and march. Big breath. And there we have it, my beautiful people. 3 sets of this super fun, fat-burning walking workout. Great for when it's cold or raining outside like it is right now here in Florida. I hope you had fun. I had a blast, if you couldn't tell with this smile on my face. So let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed it, which step was your favorite, and I hope to see you on the next one.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.